The 2018 GMC Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec engine with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, backup camera, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Come take a test drive today.